Tech Trends 2025, AGI, Edge Computing, Quantum and more. Hey there techies, welcome back to Create your go-to source for all things tech. Today, we're talking about the most groundbreaking computer science trends of 2025. From revolutionary programming paradigms to next-gen hardware, let's explore what's redefining the tech world. Stay tuned as we dive into the future of technology. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one. Artificial intelligence. We all know AI has been a buzzword for a while now, but 2025 is different. We're not just talking about your smart assistant or recommendation algorithm. We're talking about AGI, artificial general intelligence. Think about it. AGI can learn and apply knowledge across tasks, just like humans. Imagine systems that can reason, adapt, and collaborate with us. That's the promise of AGI. So yeah, AGI is definitely one to watch. Next up, we're talking about a technology that's been quietly revolutionizing the way we use data edge computing. Now, you've probably heard of cloud computing, right? It's been the dominant force for years. But edge computing, that's all about bringing the power of the cloud closer to the source of data. Instead of sending all your data to a centralized server somewhere far away, edge computing processes it right there on your device, or at a nearby edge server. This means faster processing times, lower latency, and a whole new world of possibilities for real-time applications. We're talking about self-driving cars that can make split-second decisions, factories that can adjust production lines in real time, and augmented reality experiences that are seamless and responsive. And the best part? Edge computing is becoming more accessible than ever. From healthcare providers who can monitor patients remotely to retailers who can personalize shopping experiences, the possibilities are endless. Edge computing is something you should definitely keep an eye on. Now let's dive into something truly mind-bending. Quantum computing. For years, it's been a topic relegated to research labs and sci-fi movies. But in 2025, quantum computing is finally starting to make its way into the real world. We're not just talking about theoretical possibilities anymore. We're talking about practical applications in fields like finance, material science, and drug discovery. Traditional computers use bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. But quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. This is called superposition, and it's one of the things that makes quantum computing so powerful. With quantum algorithms, we can tackle problems that would take classical computers billions of years to solve. We're talking about optimizing complex systems, breaking encryption codes, and simulating molecules for drug development. Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but the potential is undeniable. It's the kind of technology that could unlock solutions to some of humanity's biggest challenges. Okay, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something that's democratizing the world of tech low-code and no-code development. Now, coding has always been seen as this specialized skill, something only accessible to a select few, but that's changing, thanks to the rise of these incredible platforms. With low-code/no-code platforms, you don't need to be a coding wizard to build apps, automate workflows, or even create AI models. These platforms use visual interfaces, drag-and-drop tools, and pre-built components to make development accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their technical background, can bring their ideas to life. We're talking about small businesses building their own custom apps, entrepreneurs launching startups without needing to hire a team of developers, and even students creating their own games and interactive experiences. As these platforms become even more powerful and user-friendly, we can expect to see an explosion of creativity and innovation from all corners of the globe. Low-code/no-code development is definitely worth checking out. With incredible technology comes the threat of cyber attacks, but cybersecurity is evolving with AI-powered automation. Autonomous systems can predict, detect, and neutralize threats in real time. They use machine learning to analyze data and spot anomalies. It's about being proactive, not reactive, like a digital security guard always on duty. Quantum-resistant encryption is emerging. Autonomous cybersecurity is a game changer. It gives peace of mind with advanced defenses. Now let's talk about the languages that power all this amazing technology programming languages. And just like everything else in tech, they're constantly evolving to meet the demands of our ever-changing world. In 2025, We're seeing a shift towards languages that prioritize speed, efficiency, and security. Languages like Rust, known for its memory safety and performance, and Julia, designed for numerical and scientific computing, are gaining traction. But it's not just about new languages. We're also seeing existing languages like Python and JavaScript becoming even more versatile and powerful, thanks to the development of new libraries, frameworks, and tools. AI-assisted coding is becoming increasingly common. Tools like GitHub Copilot can suggest code completions, generate entire functions, and even help you debug your code. With new languages, powerful tools, and the rise of AI-assisted coding, the possibilities are endless. Alright, let's talk about the backbone of modern applications cloud-native development. And in 2025, it's all about Kubernetes 2.0. If you're not familiar with Kubernetes, it's basically an open-source platform for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Think of it like this: you've got your application, which is broken down into these smaller, independent units called containers. Kubernetes acts like an orchestra conductor, making sure all these containers are working together harmoniously, scaling up or down as needed, and recovering from failures automatically. With Kubernetes 2.0, things are getting even more powerful and efficient. We're talking about improved security features, enhanced networking capabilities, and better support for serverless computing. Developers can build and deploy applications faster than ever before, with greater scalability, reliability, and security. Kubernetes 2.0 is powering the next generation of web applications and services. Now let's talk about a technology that's bridging the gap between humans and machines. Natural language processing, or NLP, and in 2025, NLP is everywhere. We're talking about virtual assistants that can understand your needs and preferences, chatbots that can provide personalized customer support, and even language translation tools that can capture the nuances and subtleties of human language. Advanced NLP models can now analyze sentiment, recognize emotions, and even understand context. This means that we can interact with machines in a more natural and intuitive way. Imagine talking to your computer like you talk to a friend, asking it to find information, complete tasks, or even just have a conversation. NLP is enabling a future where human-machine interaction is seamless and intuitive. Alright, let's talk about a technology that's been making waves for a while now: blockchain. But in 2025, blockchain is moving beyond its cryptocurrency roots and revolutionizing industries across the board. We're talking about supply chains that are more transparent and secure, voting systems that are tamper-proof, and digital identities that are verifiable and trustworthy. Blockchain is essentially a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to alter or delete it, making it incredibly secure. And because blockchain is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any single entity, it's incredibly resilient to censorship and outages. Blockchain has the potential to transform industries and empower individuals in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. Okay, let's wrap things up with a trend that's capturing the imaginations of tech enthusiasts and futurists alike: the metaverse. Now, the metaverse is still in its early stages, but in 2025 we're starting to see the building blocks fall into place. Imagine a persistent, shared virtual world where people can interact with each other, participate in experiences, and even own digital assets. It's a convergence of virtual reality, augmented reality, blockchain, and other emerging technologies, all coming together to create a truly immersive and interconnected digital realm. In the metaverse, you could attend virtual concerts, explore distant planets, collaborate with colleagues in a virtual office, and even own virtual real estate. While there are still many challenges to overcome, the metaverse has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. The metaverse is definitely something to keep an eye on. From AGI to quantum algorithms, the tech landscape in 2025 is brimming with possibilities. It's a time of unprecedented innovation, where the lines between the physical and digital worlds are blurring, and the future feels closer than ever. Which trend excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and predictions for the future of tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the world of tech. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the cutting edge.